Oh, we got a beauty today. This is a 1967 Chevy Camaro. Shelby and I were at a car event and we could not walk away from this car. Out in the daylight, it's just absolutely stunning. It's a 67 Camaro with a 327 motor, just rebuilt, turbo 350 automatic, just rebuilt, factory red on red car, power steering, power disc brakes. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 beautiful cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with descriptions, photos, finance information. There's a QR code that'll be on your screen. You can scan it at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, they put SS emblems on this one. In this case, it stands for super sexy. The fit and finish is phenomenal. All the lines and gaps are straight. Every panel is straight. The hood, all of this looks fantastic. Same thing looking all the way down the body. Clean, straight, smooth. No ripples, no damage, no funny business. All looking really sharp. Even the jambs are painted up real nice and slick. Doors open and close beautifully. Quarter panel is really nice. The moldings fit real nice. There's no cracking here like they typically do. This is all smooth, straight. You have a front and rear spoiler. Bolero Red, code R. And again, it's all polished. If you can see the reflection of my hand, this is behind the tire, and look how shiny that is. And the body lines are all straight and proper, and this side's just as good as the other side. Jambs are nice, opens and closes very nicely. Not even a door ding. I don't see anything wrong with it. Here's a little chip in the paint, but overall fit and finish is amazing. It has the painted on SS stripe in the front, and it looks like they replaced all the chrome and trim, the emblems, the whole grille, the bumper, the front spoiler, the lenses, the windshield, the moldings, even the chrome vent window frames, the vent window glass, the cross flag emblems, all been replaced. Door handles, weather strips. It's a power top. A lot of these were manual. This is a power top. Weather strips replaced. A nice, clean, bright white top. Rolling on 17-inch torque thrust polished wheels, wrapped in some performance tires. A little bit meatier in the back, wider, fatter tire for a nice stance. And then coming around the back, tail lights, SS gas cap, bumper, lenses, all of that is fresh. The molding around the top opening is shiny and straight. Let's open it up. I got a lot more good stuff to show you. All right, let's see what we got in here. Painted very nicely under the trunk lid and the jamb. The weather strips replaced. Looks like something scratched it right there. Must have had something in the trunk. But look at how clean, especially for a convertible. These always leaked, but that's all nice, clean metal with a nice, fresh spatter finish. The well liner's new, and you can just kind of get a glimpse of the power top motor. That looks brand new. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you hit the bell icon so you're notified when videos are posted. Yeah, clean jambs, new sill plates, weather strips were replaced, the inside metal was repainted, door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, those were all replaced. Looking at a nice dash, the knobs are shiny, the trim is painted, the dash pad was replaced, the lenses are clear. The heater control panel is real nice. Has a retro stereo that fits right in the dash. You can keep an eye on your water temp and oil pressure. In the glove box, you have some original manuals, and you have a manual for the stereo. Kick panel is real nice. A little bit of the red dye is flaked off. Carpets were replaced. The center console, I think, is all new. This looks brand new to me. Seats feel good. I think they have some new cushion. They're all reupholstered. Even the backs of the seats have been replaced or at least repainted. Yeah, they're metal. They might be repainted. It does have the original seat belts in front. Wall to wall, this is redone. The armrests, the window cranks, the seat upholstery. So that's all nice looking. Visors look good, mirror looks new, and it's actually on a tilt column. So a nice, simple, clean, good looking interior. So this motor was freshly rebuilt. I do believe it's the original for the car, according to the dates and the codes. It's ME, that's a 327. This has the L79 350 horse cam put in it, and it's got an upgraded Summit aluminum intake with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carb and electric choke. That all looks new. HEI electronic ignition system. The motor is painted fresh. Chrome valve covers look good. Exhaust manifolds are coated. And then all around the engine bay, look how clean the metal is. Everything's smooth, clean, proper, simple. All nice, fresh, clean. The cooling system looks proper. The overflow hose, the shroud, everything looks like it should. Alternator looks fresh. We got power steering down there. All new power brake system, all stainless lines, new master, cadmium plated brake booster. The squirters are hooked up. And again, very well presented. Michael's going to show you how nicely this Camaro cruises, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
What a sweet cruiser. Not much better than top being down, and it's easy to use automatic. Just click it into gear and go. Literally a vehicle anybody could get in and drive easily all day. The suspension feels really sound going over all these bumps and cracks in the road here. I don't hear any squeaks or clunks or funny noises. The exhaust has a real nice rumble to it. And let's see what she's got. She's a cruiser, but she'll go too. You put that gas down. I wasn't even all the way on the pedal. Plenty more where that came from. But yeah, just enjoy. See how it goes down the road. Very nice setup on the front end there. Great alignment. Very nice driving car all the way around. New owner's going to be happy when this one pulls up in the driveway. Come on and take it for a spin if you'd like to, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
Even underneath of this car is really nice. They did the suspension, the ball joints look brand new, the bushings, even the upper and lower control arms look like they're new, not just spray painted, but new with new bushings, springs, shocks, that's all been redone. Complete fresh dual exhaust correct system. It's a dual exhaust, goes into the transverse sideways muffler and back into two pipes. The fuel system was replaced. Brake system was all redone, upgraded to disc in front, e-brakes hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's as clean as the top here, the really fresh Chevy orange. The starter looks fresh. The turbo 350 automatic, that's a 3-speed automatic, that was also just rebuilt. The motor and trans, they say, were just done. It's got a 308 gear in the back, so it's just a nice cruising gear. So if you want a nice, clean Camaro that is stunning, you're just going to get in, turn the key, drive, enjoy, top down, turn some heads, get some compliments. This is the perfect car for that. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, like how to get your Camaro delivered home so you can start enjoying it. And thanks for watching.